In this video I will show to you how to set up the Textbox app for classical Shopify themes without any app blocks. So this is required for you if you're using old or classical Shopify themes. In my case, I have already installed the debut theme. You see this is currently active and I think we can start directly. So let's go directly to the app section here in the left menu. Click on the app Textbox. So now the app will open up. And the first thing you're gonna do is click the button New Text Field. So I will click now. So now you have different opportunities. First of all, you will give your text box a unique name. In my case, I will simply call it sample. Below it, you see here is a live preview. So everything you will do in the text field settings, this will affect the live preview, and you can always see directly what you will change here. Also related to headings, placeholder text, font size, font color, almost everything is possible. By default, the text field targeting is shown on the text box is shown on all products and on all variants. So the only thing you have to do is hit the save button, and now the text box will be added to the back end. You can see it here, it's called sample and it's targeted to all the products and all the variants. And now you are already finished. Nothing else you have to do. You can then go to your storefront and check if the text box will show up. Let's do so. I will simply enter here my test product, it's ABC. I click on it and you see here is the text box. You can enter here some notes, edit to cart, and it will be overtaken. You can see it here. View the cart and it will be overtaken and added to your order.